Welcome to Sat X. We are going to solve nested radical equation. Root over 3 to the power x in root 9 to the power x in root 81 to the power x equals to 81. So first 3 to the power x root 9 to the power x times root this 81 we can write 3 to the power 4, so 3 to the power 4 x and into all root. This 81 we can write 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power x times root over 9 to the power x times, here is 3 to the power 4x, against this root we can write times 1 by 2 and whole root equals to 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power x times root this 9 we can write 3 square and here is x, so 3 to the power 2x times this 4 divided 2 is a 2, so here is 3 to the power 2x over root 3 to the power 4. Now 3 to the power x times, here is 3 to the power 2x, 3 to the power 2x, so we can write 3 to the power 2x square and here is a root and here is also root 3 to the power 4. Then 3 to the power x, here is root and here is square, so both out, here is 3 to the power 2x root equals to 3 to the power 4, right? Now 3 to the power x, 3 to the power 2x, we can write 3 to the power x plus 2x whole root equals to 3 to the power 4. Then we can write 3 to the power 2x plus x is a 3x times 1 by 2 because we want to omit this root sign equals to 3 to the power 4. Then 3 to the power 3x by 2 equals to 3 to the power 4. Look, both base are same, so we can write power will be equal. It means 3 to the power x by 2 equals to 4. Now 3 to the power x equals to 2 times 4, we can cross multiplication, here is 8. Now x equals to 8 by 3, it means we are dividing both side by 3. Our answer is 8 by 3 is, it's a improper fraction. If you want you can write 2 by 3, it's a mixed fraction. So this is our answer. So these kinds of radical equation is very important for if you are practicing for IGCSE or if you practice for CBSE, SAT, SSC or any kinds of competitive examination. Please subscribe my channel because this channel you will get lots of these types of math. Thank you.